Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Uh, it depends whichever place you're watching this video from. Um, Going by the name Swale the Tourist. Swale the Tourist, that is my YouTube channel name. You can identify me through that uh, name. So today was Sunday in our country, Kenya. I'm just a simple man coming from Kitembe village in Rongo County, Migori County. The country is Kenya. So we were in church because today was Sunday, so we had to go to church. Uh, we are now here. I just want to tour this place, the forests, and some parts of the riverbank. So I'm here. I just want to tour my forests, check how bushy it is. It needs to be slashed. I'm gonna try if it's possible. So let me just walk down. So let me from this area. First of all, this is cassava plant. This cassava can be used uh, in different ways. So we have different types of cassava. Like this one here, you see this is white. You look at this. There are differences. The other one is reddish. The branches are reddish. The other one is a bit brown. So this one is eaten. You can eat this one raw without cooking, or you can cook the cassava itself. But this one, when you harvest this cassava, what you do, you first peel off the coating layer. Then the next thing is that you cut it into pieces. Then finally, after cutting this cassava here, you put it to dry. You dry it up so that you use the flour. The flour can be used to prepare the porridge as well as ugali. So even these can do those things, but mostly it is being used as a snack. At the morning hours, when you're taking your breakfast, you boil some cassava and then you use it either with the tea or porridge again. So it works in two ways. You see, you prepare the porridge, the flour of this reddish one, and then when you are drinking the porridge, you also eat this one here. So it becomes like a snack. So that is it. Family, continue watching as I tour you towards this kind of area, and you're gonna get much about this kind of nature. Family, I've just found a brother cutting napier grass. These ones are used to feed the cattle, most livestock. So I've found him here. He's trying to cut them so that he could feed his livestock. So you chop them into pieces so that can be easily consumed by the animals when they are taking or when they are eating them or chewing them. So that is there. Among the feeds, this one is being put under a category known as fodder. Yeah, I think that is it. So the fodder crops that are being used by animals as feeds. So we'll carry them home And normally it is being used under zero grazing units when you keep animals under zero grazing units. So when you chop them, the animals will now chew them easily and then swallow them without any kind of problem. But when you give them full this way, the animals won't get easy uh, way of chewing. You can just find them done stepping on them without chewing them properly. So you have to chop them into pieces so that they get easy way of eating them or chewing them, and then they swallow them easily. Yes, walking to the bush area has made me to find some kind of juicy fruits. This is guava. This is guava. It is a kind of fruit that is being found in the bush. Others do plant it in the homestead. Look at it. Inside it is reddish, means it is ripe. Chew it. It is very sweet.